Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And you can no doubt see we're in the car. We're going to make a little road trip. We're going to head up to Globe, Arizona. Now, when I say up, we're going out of Phoenix, actually heading east, but we're going to go up to about 3,500, 4,000 feet and check out some of the scenery in this old West town. Yeah, I say old West because it was actually formed back in the late 1800s. So as they often say, though, of course, half the adventure is getting there. I think you'll enjoy the drive up to Globe, and then we'll take a little trip through the downtown area as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
234-2300. You have never thought about remodeling your bathroom, but were worried it would take too long or cost too much? Then stop worrying. Right now, Tucson Bath Remodeling has designed a collection of high-quality custom products and perfected the one-day remodeling experience, so you can enjoy your new bathroom faster than ever before. It's a worry-free bath remodel from the most trusted brand name in the business.
Well, that was actually a pretty quick trip, wasn't it? Well, it took about an hour and a half, but of course we did it for you in about 3 minutes time. Hopefully you enjoyed some of that scenery. It was absolutely beautiful. And the downtown, yeah, not bad. Nothing special, but kind of pretty as well. I also did some hiking outside of the town at a place called Round Mountain, and that was absolutely gorgeous. Hey, thanks for watching. Keep subscribing to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. And of course, check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. Until we do see you that next time, have a great day, better yet, a better tomorrow, and bye now from beautiful Globe, Arizona.